More breaking news coming in, and this is coming out of Jammu and Kashmir. The police's crackdown as far as Srinagar is concerned. The Jammu and Kashmir police are conducting raids, and these raids have been conducted since early this morning in the Kashmir Times newspaper, the most, the oldest newspaper as far as J&K is concerned. And from sources, what we're really picking up, what we know so far, is that AK-47 cartridges have been seized in the raids that are continuing. Pistols as well as rounds of grenades have also been found in the raids that are being conducted. This is the oldest English language newspaper of Jammu and Kashmir, and for what we know so far is that this really comes about on the close of the heels of ammunition that was recovered in J&K. These are doctors that were involved, the Al Falah University doctors that were involved. So after it seems to be no link that's been established at least yet, but the reason why was it in the first place that Kashmir Times newspaper was raided. There was this raid that started early this morning, the raid that is continuing. From what we know so far is that AK-47 cartridges have been recovered during those raids that have taken place. They have tried to recover digital material as well as far as the newspaper, the Kashmir Times newspaper is concerned. And this is the newspaper office in Jammu. So here we have visuals playing out of the raid that started early this morning. This is the FIR that now has been registered against the Kashmir Times editor for allegedly spreading dissatisfaction. This is in regard to glorifying and threatening sovereignty and territorial integrity of India and the Union Territory. What we know as of now, according to sources in the police, is that AK-47 cartridges, pistol rounds and 3 grenade levers were recovered during the searches that began earlier in the day and are still underway. We have Nazir with us. Nazir, the visuals that are playing out are from the raid that continues in the Kashmir Times office. This is the Kashmir Times newspaper, the longest English language newspaper in the valley. Take us through the details.
Well, this is the oldest English newspaper in Jammu and Kashmir. Once very respected, its founder and editor was Ved Bhasin. Now his daughter Anuradha Bhasin is running it. It is a Jammu-based paper, and the raid was conducted in Residency Road, Jammu this morning by the sleuths of State Investigating Agency. But what is part of the recovery is shocking beyond words for a journalist. And you see there are certain arms ammunition recovered from a newspaper office which was defunct almost for last 6 years because there's no proper physical publication of the newspaper even as online editions come. And the editor of the owner of this newspaper, she operates from US, Anuradha Bhasin. This is the police claim they have recovered. They are saying they were doing all these things. They are detailed press notes by the state investigation agencies. But after the white collar terror, where doctors were caught, they were arrested, explosives seized, and then several other doctors are still under scanner and they are being questioned. Now this raid is really shocking in a newspaper, one of the oldest newspaper of Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu-based newspaper that has been raided. And what police are saying, these recoveries which have been made from the newspaper office, which was closed for last 5-6 years.
Right, it has been sealed since 2020. Nazir, is what we are picking up from what we know. Sources are saying that the team thoroughly searched the documents as well as digital devices at the office, the Srinagar office of Kashmir Times at the press enclave area that was sealed by the administration, and that all happened since 2020. The office has been sealed, and the Kashmir Times editor, like Nazir was mentioning, Anuradha Bhasin, had moved the Supreme Court after Article 370 on the 5th of August back in 2019 against a clampdown on the internet. Well, Nazir, take us through, how, dating back to how old is this newspaper, and if this newspaper office was sealed, how is it that we're, recovering arms and ammunition? What is more disturbing is this is coming close on the heels of the Red Fort blast, and again having ties, there were doctors there. So this is the educated lot, and here we're talking about a newspaper, the office of a newspaper.
Well, it's happening with the people who are being respected by the society. Doctors, they are saviors, not those something seen as saviors by every human being. That is a last resort. And when some of them actually turn, the monsters they resort to this type of thing, that is shocking. And now the newspaper police are saying these arms ammunition have been recovered from them, from the, as we said, defunct office of the Kashmir Times. It was their own property, while as in Srinagar, which was operating from a government premises that was sealed in 2020. That permission was withdrawn by the government because Kashmir Times Anuradha Bhasin had taken a certain strong view, which was not in conformity with the government view, and she has been very, very hugely critical of abrogation of Article 370 and also...
Well, Nazir, hold that thought. We will come back to you. We have more news coming in at the moment. We need to switch tracks now and get you information in regard to the Red Fort terror attack that took place here in the national capital on the 10th of November.